1, 2, 3, 5, 6, go. Chick, chick, chick. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, excellent. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Already. 5, 6. High 10, and change. That was great. Change. Better? You did better? Stay close. Stay closer. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, go. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. High 10. That was better. That was better. Okay. So that was good. Let me see what we can do. So you did 2, so you did 5, 6, 7. And from here, I want you to introduce a new handhold. From here, I want, after she did turn, I want you to go 1, 2, 3 like this. 5, 6, 7, because the next movement, I want you to be in this position. So we're going to change position. Yeah. So hold hands with Heidi like this. Then we go like that. So from this to that. From this to that. And now 2 hands. So your hands were here, and now we go like we're gonna dance waltz, coming closer on her shoulder blade. Yeah. And you see, look, what's wrong with me, in the sense of my position towards my partner. So see, our shoulders should be parallel. Shoulders, yes, parallel. And you too. Yeah, but have a little distance. Yeah, like this. Yeah. You have to stay too close. Very good. Arm here. Arm here like you play violin. Close. Yeah. So your goal right now to do this. We're going to do basic step. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And now we connect. 5, 6, 7. Like this. And I want you to stop on 7 like that. And then we're going to go here.
By 5, we already have the frame.
Yes. Good. Very, very good. So try together with the partner. Maybe you exchange partners right now, because you just started. Come closer. So let's do our routine slowly. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Great. 1, 2, 3. So actually by 3, not by 5. Yeah, he did good. By 3 already change position. So you go. So you should go 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna count. That's the next step today.
That's good.
From beginning, beautiful people. That's very good. That's not good. That's very good. 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Approach to her 3. 3, 3, 3.
3.
Here. 3. Why your shoulder to her close? Distance. And yeah, 3. 3. And now from here. Yeah, now from here. 3. Yeah. So now when you did, actually what you did was good. So it's going to be slightly open. 3. So you did 1, 2, 3. Now from here, guys, your right foot gonna step back like basic, and you. We're gonna do this like you wanna almost like gently swing her on the other side. Yeah, ga da. No, you're pulling her on yourself. Oh. You have to swing her around. We're gonna practice that. So let's practice swinging around. So hold her like this. Now you do small steps behind yourself and just like make her go around. So do. No. Watch Evgeny. What? You know this in Japan, this ladies, they have this like traditional wooden feet. So look, if I'm here and I'm doing this, look, I take her around. Are you doing, guys, this? You did this. You pulling her on you, moving with her. So that's the skill we want to learn.
Stay in a small circle.
So if we, because he's a professor. Oh, you are a professor. Engineer. Okay. Inside circle, outside circle. So let's say if I stand like this, we can practice. So who is on inside circle? Who is on outside? Yes. So who is giving power to the couple? Me. So you see, I'm like taking her. But could be like this. Could be we both could be like a Christmas tree. So then we can use like a central for it. No, that's not Christmas tree. Christmas tree is like we're both moving around. So that's not the case for us. Almost in ballroom dance, most of the time men stay, girls moves around. Got it? So do this exercise. Stay like this, and just guys in place and take her around. Just for exercise, just to feel it. Just make her walk circles. Yeah. Yeah. Now, Evgeny, very good, very good. If you change your body position, oh, much better. Now, yeah, very good, very good. Now, look, guys, for you. If you want her to go to your left, look at my head. See, I'm turning left. You see? Like I'm looking almost left. So if I'm, see, it's much better. Then I'm here. Got it? So we're going to open here. For you, just look straight. Yeah. So I'm like this. Ta, ta. So I'm opening my left side. Okay, so try. If you want her to go to, you open your leg. Look here, look here. Like look almost behind yourself. Yeah, yeah. And open your shoulder. Open that shoulder. Yeah, yeah. You see how you give her more power? Very good. Just don't get dizzy. Enough, enough, enough. Enough, 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 enough. Yeah. Cheek. Nice, nice. Take her with your body. Yeah. Go like this. Like this, not behind. Okay. So this is just exercise. Now, in actual step, you don't need that much force, just a little bit. So when she turn on your 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we go 5, 6, 7. You see, I'm stepping already here. And this is the key. This is where I want you. 1, 2, 3. And now we do the whole thing from here. Let's try slowly, slowly. Let's go from connect. We're going to connect. We're going to go from very beginning, and then I will show you how to do steps. You go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, connect to her 3. 3, no, connect. So now we still have to do a forward basic.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, and I'll take her. That was good. No, not too much. That was just till here. You did great. Yeah. Of course, when you're professional, you can do like 360. That was great. That was very good. Yeah. So you do with him again from close position.
Watch us, please.
Go. No, go basic forward because she just turned. You go forward. You go back, my love, with the right foot. No. Okay. No. Watch. This is your steps. You go 1, 2, 3. You see, I'm already taking you. 5, 6, 7. So you don't even need to know steps because it's your body will do. So go 1, 2, 3. No, too much. This. Watch. Just dance like a basic, normal basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that was good. That was better. You got it or no?
We got it.
They got it. They're very good. Okay, so let's go from beginning with my count. Let's see if we can combine this. So our goal to do a basic step, our goal to do a turn for the girls, and our goal to change places with her at that moment called cross body lead. So this is your body, and you lead her across your body. So our goal for us to finish it, guys facing the, people call it Trump, dancing walls. So you wanna face Trump dancing walls picture, okay? So go beginning and 1. So we start. You start forward, girls forward, guys back, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Not yet. We have to still do a Paris. Fly to Paris. 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, connect 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Did you do it? Stay with the same couples. We try with the music a few times. Yes, we can.